My name's Angie and I'd like to tell you about my Beko washing machine. It's in white, as you can see. It's a 5 kilogram A+A class 1000 RPM. It's got a dial for all synthetics and woolens, and it's got for delicates and woolens, and it also does just a spin and drain. It's got some for very high cottons, and also it's got some for just a basic hand wash. Across here you can see the start and pause, the pre-wash which it's got, and also it's got its extra rinse and rinse and hold there. It's quite a large size drum, and it's very economical, and it's been a good machine for me, and I can only but sing its praises. And it's been very good, and I've had it for about 3 years now, and it's never let me down. So that's my Beko washing machine. I hope you've enjoyed this review. I hope that was enough. Was that enough?